Supernatural, that's what they'd call it. If I told them what I see, but some things you keep to yourself when you live between the real and the mystery. I found her locket in the attic. She's been gone for 20 years, but last night I heard her humming through the static in my ears. Supernatural, that's what they call it. If I told them what I know, but some doors ain't meant to open, and some ghosts ain't meant to go.